Are you riding a 700 Raptor and feel like a kid on a playground? If you're a big guy like me, you want a little bit more spring in the back so you don't feel like you're riding on one, stick around. I'm gonna show you how to install one. What I found is I have a little bit of a weight problem. These things are set up max 220 pounds, and I'm certainly over that. So I did adjust the preloads all the way down, especially on the rear. But when I first got it, it was pretty unsettling. Every time you hit the gas, you felt like it was going to go over backwards, although it wasn't. And then if you hit the brakes, you were looking at the ground because the thing would sit up pretty good. I did totally lock out the bottom. I mean, there ain't much thread left on the back for the preload. Did not bottom out at all in the maiden voyage, and it took some jumps and stuff like that. But nothing crazy. I'm an old man. But didn't bottom it out. It was nice riding. So I'm interested to see how changing the back spring will affect the ride performance. So I'll walk you through the install process. Let you know if there's anything I notice. So I'm gonna go for the hardest ones first. Everything looks like it's 17 millimeter, 19 millimeter. Looks like I gave it a little bit more. Yep. There is a little collar in here for bushing. I'm going to remove so I can put it in the vise better. This vise does have copper jaws on it. So first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this pretension. I don't like this spanner wrench. It's like one of the adjustable ones that you can use on anything. I just feel like it does nothing well. Like maybe it can work on anything, but not well. It is an absolute pain in the ass. I totally wish I just bought one specific for the bike. Pretty big difference. All right, I am going to take an opportunity to re-grease all the zerks. All right, moment of truth. I'm going to see where it sits in relation to where it started. It was at 33, just sitting there before. It's at 32, so it lost an inch. I'm going to say I'm 28 3/4. So I gained 1/4 of an inch.
So I guess we're gonna have to preload just a touch. Here's what I did find. With this thing jacked up, you can kind of just grab it, turn it, and it seems to be spinning a lot easier than trying to go click by click with that little spanner wrench.